Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete custom instructions in ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT and sign in to your account. Next, click your profile in the bottom left corner. So once you're here, you can go to settings and look for personalization. Click on that. So once you're here, what you need to do is to scroll down and find custom instructions. So click this box right here and select the text from the instructions field, just like so. Now tap delete or backspace on your keyboard. Once done, tap save at the bottom right corner. So custom instructions updated. What you need to do is to close settings. So the changes should save automatically.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
So let's double check. Go to your profile in the bottom left corner, go to personalization, then scroll down and go to custom instructions. So as you can see here, it's already empty. And that's it. So that's how you can delete custom instructions in ChatGPT. Thank you for watching.